Okay, so I just finished stage 4, so these rocks should be fully tumbled. So let's wash them off and see. I added this ceramic media this time because they kind of got smaller, so I didn't want to scratch them up. I probably should have added that during stage 3, but you live and you learn. This is my first time doing it, so it's not going to be perfect, but I think these look pretty good for the first time. That's a cool one. These are all New England rocks. Agates, jasper, quartz. Nice red jasper. Nice variety. This one looks like a little forest scene. And that's it, so cool.